Breaking the wall of invisible brain cancer. Julius Maximilian Kernbach, Falling Walls Lab, Baden-Württemberg.
Glioblastoma, that is the most prevalent, aggressive, and lethal form of brain cancer. It's still incurable, and the prognosis is dismal, with 95% of all patients surrendering to brain cancer within the next 5 years. Glioblastoma is always one step ahead. The question is why? We now understand that brain cancer extends its reach into healthy brain tissue far beyond what's visible on a standard brain scan. Most of the tumor's activity remains hidden, existing in undetectable networks that connect cancer cells to our own brain cells through active synaptic communication. Through these invisible, active cancer networks, glioblastoma tricks our brain into fueling cancer growth and building up treatment resistance. For example, after radiation, organized cancer networks grow back stronger and much more resilient than unconnected cancer cells. And even with surgery, we can't even fully target it. Because think about it, if we cannot see it, how can we hope to fight it? But what if we can? Now, this white mass is glioblastoma, at least what you see on a standard brain scan. But that is not enough. Let's take a closer look. My research pioneers a new form of magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, that visualizes the synaptic activity within cancer networks. Using machine learning, we can now identify precisely the critical active parts of cancer networks beyond conventional imaging, making the invisible visible. Now, for the first time, we can see the full extent of brain cancer, empowering us with a new level of precision that we have never had before. We can now use surgery to cut it, radiation to burn it, and medication to disrupt it, striking at the core network that fuels cancer growth. Now, let's put this into perspective. In Berlin alone, for the next 5 years, we can safely expect 8,000 MRIs on brain cancer patients. If we scale that up globally, we can expect 20 million. Now, with this breakthrough, every scan becomes a new opportunity. Imagine all the lives we could change if we finally stay one step ahead of brain cancer at every single scan, every single time. Thank you.